Downloading Jungkook's ringtone is very simple. All you need is a compatible mobile device, such as an Android or Apple phone. You can find Jungkook's ringtone in the App Store of your phone. Once you locate the correct app, you will be able to download it and access the ringtones with ease. One of the most popular Jungkook ringtones is the one with his iconic ARMY chant. There is a wide array of other ringtones in the app as well, such as rap, club, rock, ballad, and more. Relaxing tones are great to listen when you want to take a break. Apart from downloading Jungkook ringtones, you can also edit it as per your personal preference. Many mobile apps offer extensive editing options where you can trim, loop, mix, and much more. It is also possible to share Jungkook ringtones on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Connecting with other fans through these platforms is a great way to stay in touch. With some apps, it is possible to create a personalized ringtones by adding sound effects, your own voice, and even your own music. Creating and downloading your own personal Jungkook ringtone has never been easier. There are a few key steps to remember when downloading Jungkook's ringtones. Always check the compatibility of the app with your device before downloading it. Ensure you have enough storage space to accommodate the app, and take the time to read any user's reviews to get an understanding of the app. Security is another important aspect of downloading Jungkook's ringtones. Always make sure the app is from a trusted source and check for any security threats or malware before installation. It is essential to keep your phone updated in order to access the best features of Jungkook's ringtones. Make sure to update the apps frequently to enjoy the latest additions. Not all ringtones are compatible with all devices. Once you have downloaded the app, you may need to test a few different file formats to make sure the ringtone will work on your device. For convenience, most apps allow you to search for Jungkook's ringtones based on certain criteria. You can sort by categories such as rap, pop, rock, and more. Although downloading Jungkook's ringtones is easy, it is important to be wary of copyright laws. Be sure to only download ringtones that you have permission to use and only use them for personal use. There are plenty of opportunities to discover new ringtones each and every day. Look for blogs and websites to find exclusive ringtones, new apps, and other Jungkook content. If you get bored of the existing ringtones, you can always go for customizing your own. With the help of some apps, you can edit and tweak the sound to get exactly what you want. Many of the app stores have curated lists of Jungkook's ringtones. These are a great way to get a quick overview of all the available ringtones and save time scrolling through hundreds of titles. Make sure you are aware of the file size, quality, and latency of each ringtone before downloading. Slow and low quality ringtones can negatively affect your user experience. To get the most out of downloading Jungkook's ringtones, only settle for apps with access to high-resolution quality sound. Most apps also offer in-app purchases and subscriptions for premium content. Downloading Jungkook's ringtones from official sources such as CD stores is faster and more convenient than downloading from third-party apps. Most CD stores also offer discounts when you bundle multiple downloads together. Jungkook's ringtones are available both online and offline. Offline downloads, or physical downloads from stores, may be more expensive than digital downloads. Always make sure you read the user reviews carefully before purchasing or downloading a ringtone. These reviews can offer valuable insight as to whether or not a ringtone is worth the money. You can also download ringtones by creating your own playlists. This way, you can save time searching for songs and get a clear overview of your favorite ringtones. You can set ringtones as alarms, call sounds, notifications, and more. Some apps also allow you to add effects, trim, and loop different sounds for a more creative approach. Before downloading, check the file size and preview the sound before downloading to ensure you get the exact sound quality you are looking for. For those who don't want to go through the hassle of downloading, streaming apps are an excellent option. With these, you can get access to ringtones on demand and listen to them without any worries. Sharing ringtones is another great way to express yourself. You can also share Jungkook's ringtones with your friends and family to show how much you appreciate them.